Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing Lashed Out by PS and their lash products that they gifted me. If you guys want to see how I got my magnetic lashes to look like this, give this video a big old thumbs up, subscribe and comment down below, and let's get on into the video. Okay, so I did my whole base. So I did my face, so my complexion. I did some eyeshadow, which I unintentionally made a little bit of a fall theme. Unintentionally, I'm a summer girl. I love summer and I don't like fall, and I go to school in Arizona, so there isn't really even a fall there. But I actually kind of really like it because I used one of the Jaclyn Hill Vault palettes, the Armed and Gorgeous, and I love the formulas of the shades in it, so I actually really like the look. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to Lashed Out by PS for sending me all of these lash products and making this video happen. I'm super excited because I've never tried magnetic lashes for like a review before. I've bought the ones that have just like the 3 big brick ones, the cheap ones from the drugstore, and I did not like them at all. So I'm really excited to be able to actually try some from a trustworthy brand and to get to apply them to my eyes and give a real honest full review for you guys on magnetic lashes so we can kind of see what the tea is. So I'm going to take you through what Lashed Out by PS actually sent me, and then we'll go through the lash review and we'll see if magnetic lashes are worth it. Yes, no, maybe. So to start off, I'm going to show you guys what I got sent. I got a normal band lash, and this is in the style Mariza, and they're really pretty and very fluffy lashes, which I'm pretty excited about because I actually don't have a lot of fluffy lashes in my collection, and there are definitely looks where fluffy lashes are going to be your best friend and really help to accentuate the look. Next, I have the magnetic lashes, and this is in the style Hollywood. They're big. I picked some bigger lashes for this just because I do like wearing fuller lashes most of the time, especially if I'm gonna have some eyeshadow underneath it. And then they sent me 2 different types of glue. So I got the regular lash glue right here, and then I also got the magnetic lash glue. But for today, we're gonna focus mainly on the magnetic since I've never tried magnetic lashes to this extent. So I'm really excited, and I'm hoping that they work out. But like I said, I'm not going to lie to you guys, and I'm going to give you a completely honest review on all my videos. And then the last thing they sent is a toolkit. It comes with tweezers, scissors, eyelash curler, and lash applicator. And this is all in rose gold, so this is really cute, and I'm actually super hyped about this. Thank you so much for sending me all of these, because I literally will use all of them. So to start, I'm going to pull out the tweezers because I have a few stray eyebrow hairs that I want to pluck, and might as well put it to the test and review the tweezers for this. So I'm just gonna plug this. Look at that, she works. Okay, so we like the tweezers. They pulled out a few stray hairs for me. It's a plus. I'd say the tweezers work. Okay, so my next step is going to be applying mascara. So before I go ahead and do that, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and then apply some lash primer and some mascara. I haven't used a different eyelash curler than my normal one in so long, so I'm actually really excited to see if I'm missing out. I love the color of the rose gold. I low-key, it matches my eyeshadow. Good job on the eyelash curler. Love that. I love it when eyelash curlers are good because it just really helps boost the mascara. Can toss my old eyelash curler now. That was literally the sound of me actually tossing my old eyelash curler. So, okay, and then I'm just gonna do the same thing to my other eye. Okay, so now that my mascara is on, it's time to size the magnetic lashes and cut off any excess lash that doesn't fit on my eye. Okay, so there's a magnetic strip that holds the lashes into the case. If you can see, the lash has a bunch of little magnets. So even if you were to cut some of the lash off, it will still hold the magnet to your eyes. So I know I at least need to cut off 2 of the magnetic pieces. And in the package that they sent me, they put in instructions for how to apply magnetic lashes, which I am super thankful for because this is literally my first time, so we're in this together. But it says to carefully apply eyeliner as close to the lash line as possible. Apply a line as thick as the size of the magnetics. Make sure to apply enough on the inner and outer corners so that the magnets at the end of the lash band can hold properly. Apply magnetic liner 2 to 3 times, wait 60 seconds to dry. The eyeliner should be completely dry before applying magnetic lashes. Set lashes right over the magnetic eyeliner as close to your lash line as possible. So I'm going to start with my first layer on both sides. The liner is actually fairly easy to use. Okay, so I'd say that is one layer on, so I'm going to let that dry, and while I let it dry, I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so that is the first layer on. Gonna go ahead and give that a couple more seconds to dry before applying the next layer. Okay, now I'm going in for round numero dos. That is layer number 2. I'm gonna let that dry, and then we'll move on to layer number 3. 3 layers are on, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and let the magnetic liner completely dry before going ahead and applying the strip to it. Okay, I think I'm ready. So I'm taking the lash applicator and the lashes. Here is the real test. That's crazy. Whoa, it just like totally grabs onto the liner. So the lashes are on, and at first I was like, okay, these are a bit heavy, like I don't know how I feel, but now that they're kind of on my eye, my eyes gotten used to them, they're actually not too bad. And like, they're on there. I'm actually pretty impressed. I've never had magnetic lashes on before, nor have I ever like loved the idea of them, just because I mean, like, how does that work? But I actually really like this. Like, I feel like it's not too heavy on the eye. I like that literally all I have to do is just go like this when I want to take them off, and it's not like glue pulling or tugging. So I like it. I was also really impressed with the eyelash curler that they had gifted me. That one was really good. Like, I literally threw out my old one after trying it. And I like their tweezers. I really liked their lash applicator too. I felt like it was nice that it had this kind of thicker part so that your whole palm of your hand can work on that. So I really genuinely like it. I'll have to let you guys know later on my Instagram story how I felt about them wearing, because I'm really excited to actually try this product out and to get to use it more often, because magnetic lashes, that was something that was such a big deal in the beauty industry when it first popped off, because everyone was kind of like, whoa, what? Not using glue, magnetic lashes, like what is going on? But now that it's kind of starting to become more part of the industry, I feel like brands are really taking a chance and making it a really usable product. So I'm genuinely excited about this. Like, I keep looking down in this mirror because I'm like, hold on, is this really like magnets on my eyes right now? And it's like holding, but yeah, no, like it doesn't. They're on there. They are on there. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this review. If you guys do end up trying out some magnetic lashes, you guys can definitely go check the link down below, which is for Lashed Out by PS, where you guys can get some magnetic lashes just like mine, or some regular ones as well, and some other tools for your lashes. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, beauties.